So these are the decals that I'll be putting on the car. It's official licensed product from Mopar. So I'm sure they're going to be very good quality. So I've got a full set. I've got both fenders, stickers for both the fenders, including the front grille and the rear trunk lid. And the color that I chose is silver metallic, which I believe would be closest to stock. But you can get these in any color, and you can also get them in the reflective finish if you prefer. First, you want to clean the area with some isopropyl alcohol. So spray that down. Wipe it dry. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and apply this decal to the emblem. Lay it over, and once you think you're ready, I recommend start in one corner, like so, and kind of work your way around. But this looks like I got it right on. Yeah, that's perfect. And by rubbing it like this, it's going to generate some heat, which is going to activate the adhesive. So I prefer not to use a heat gun because it's easy to overheat it and damage the vinyl sticker. So I just like to just rub it to activate it. So you want to like push it down. Okay, when it comes to removing the cover, I find the best is avoid starting from like a sharp end like this. Instead, start over here where it's less likely to lift. And it's best to lift it from a sharp angle. You don't want to lift it straight up, so lift it at a sharp angle just like this. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. And then just go around, make sure you got it all, there's no bubbles. But that looks really good. Okay, the passenger side fender came out perfect. On the front here, I think it's perfect too. The front came out perfect too. On the driver's side fender, because there's a little tiny air bubble right there. So I'm going to try to work that air bubble out as much as I can. Still there. It's getting better. I'm going to try popping it. Oh, there you go. That is gone. Now that looks perfect. So with that air bubble removed, the emblem on the driver's side is perfect. But on the back, yeah, I messed this one up. That's not lined up. I'm kind of OCD, so if it's not perfect, it bothers me. But overall, I think that's a big improvement. Oh, nice. But yeah, that emblem really does pop now. I don't know, I'll see what I think. Maybe just pops out too much, I don't know. The satin black was kind of more subtle. This kind of sticks out a bit more. I don't know. I don't know if I should keep it or I think I'll just keep it on for a bit and see if I like it or not. If I don't like it and I like the old satin black, I'll just take these off.